Hey there. Happy New Year. All that good stuff. Yay. So, I finally traced the IP address of Dr. Stretcharmstrong, the guy who's been interrupting my videos over the past year, and hacked into his system. And managed to get my hands on his outtakes. So, sit back and enjoy the mishaps of Dr. Stickler. I know I will.
Greetings, Bob. I don't know my lines. Let me open the file.
Testing. Microphone. Motion to the how to inform the plebe Doc-tah-stick-lah in order to bring to the not bring Doc-tah-stick-lah or con-argh elevated Doc-tah-stick-lah. You go on Doc-tah-stick-lah. But then you go on to other Doc-tah-stick-lah. Doc-tah-stick.
Dr. Erroneous P Sticklah. And if once...
I know. You always thought that airplane mode would make your phone work harder as it shapeshifts into a
If you want to be really slick, report...
Worst time to find that out is 2 blocks away from the Tower of London with the Royal Jews. Royal Jews?
That's right. Vengeance.
Was that a green screen? I'm beginning to think he's not even a real doctor. So, what do you think? Comments below.